Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. How are you, my dear subscribers and my all lovely viewers? I hope you are all fine. I pray that you will always be happy and well wherever you are. Today we are diving into the world of elegant and chic date night hairstyles. Whether you are headed to a romantic dinner, a concert, or a cozy evening with your special someone, these hairstyles will make you feel like $1,000,000. So grab your hairpins and let's get started. My dear friends, today I'm showing you most attractive and stylish long and short hairstyle. Watch my full video, and if you like my video, please press the like button. And there you have it, ladies, 40 stunning long and short hairstyles to inspire your next date night look. Remember, confidence is the best accessory. So go out there, rock these hairstyles, and make unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay fabulous. So, my dear friends, after watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. And visit my YouTube channel. In my channel, I upload latest hairstyles, haircuts, and hair coloring ideas for girls and women both. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, and share my video with your friend and your family. And thank you so much, guys, for your positive feedback in my previous videos. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more attractive and latest videos for you guys. My channel publishes videos that focus on new and emerging haircuts, hairstyles, and hair coloring trends for girls and women both in the fashion industry from all over the world. If that sound like it could be helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today's video is very special, so friends, watch my video till the end so you don't miss any hairstyle. And if you want to get your favorite hairstyle, you must watch the full video and take a screenshot of whatever hairstyle you like. After taking a screenshot, you can save it to your mobile, and whenever you have your haircut or style your hair, by showing this picture, you can get your hairstyle from any beauty salon in your area. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.